Welcome guys, welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Now guys, we have a quick one for you. Yeah man, a real quick one. You know, me love to watch The Fix. Yeah man, me love to watch The Fix cause, you know, The Fix brings some good vibes and some nice things. Sometimes I listen to The Fix and feel comfortable. But viewers and subscribers right now, me can't believe The Fix. Yeah man, me can't believe The Fix. The Fix a interview CMR. You know, The Fix a do them thing. The Fix a run them own show. And The Fix, them ask some serious question though, you know. Yeah man, The Fix always ask some serious question. But my viewers and subscribers, me can't play and me not go play the whole of Fix things. Because me no want to be copyright, me no want to get strike. So, what me I go say to you is, go over to The Fix, watch the interview with them and CMR, and then you will really realize, say this boy here need to be in the lockup. Yeah man, if you, hey, to all of the people out there where I say CMR, me need you to listen. CMR attack pan The Fix. And see what I get out of it. But my viewers and subscriber, me go play a little part of it. But then we have to go over there and then we go talk about it afterwards. Listen.
A lot of people don't understand how America works. You know?
Yeah.
They feel as if you were arrested on that, so that they're thinking, oh, that you do.
Right.
But that was just from the detective viewpoint.
Mm-hmm.
She said, these are the probable cause. Because to be honest, when
you say she is a detective.
Yeah, man.
Okay, so she's saying that this is what you could be charged for. Okay, got it.
Yeah, so technically it could have been a lesser charge or it could have been a higher. But I was never charged to clear that up.
Right.
I was never charged. I was arrested on probable cause.
Okay,
You understand
got
me?
it. Mm-hmm.
And it's fair enough. I'm a law-abiding citizen. I was at my house and somebody pop up and say, oh, you know, I am a detective and you need to come with us. And I said, okay, I'm a law-abiding citizen. I'm not going to break the law. Take me with you. The next thing I see myself, a video with me in court, and then they release me and give me a piece of paper and say, oh, you're vindicated. You didn't do anything. Here you go. And I have to move on. And
What a liar boy, man. What a liar boy after Chrissy go pay the $7,450. What a liar boy. But them give him a paper say him vindicated. What a boy lie. Make you go and listen. Make you go and listen to him, I say.
I mean, listen, your arrest, your mugshot was very much loud, but the charges being dropped was like a flutter in the wind.
Yeah.
So, because I even had to say, no, where's the news of it being dropped?
Man, I just say it wasn't even a charge, right? It's just the case was dropped.
yeah,
Right.
I was never charged. Yeah, I love what you said.
Yeah. So the question now is like, how?
Viewers and subscriber, if you don't want to hear the rest of it, go over there and watch it. And after you done watch it, then you ask yourself the question, what is happening to Jay? Because hear what him say? Him say the detective say. How comes the detective will come in your yard and say that you do? If the detective not get it from somewhere else, what? My viewers and subscribers, me still can't understand how the case dropped. What really happened? Why the case dropped? But just listen to what him say. The detective come in yard and say him depend something. How you think the detective or come in your yard and say something like that? But me sorry say me can't play out all of this video. Now my viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen. Listen this little part where this lady asks him.
How did it even, like how this even come together for you to even be in this situation?
Okay.
That's the
From your
question,
viewpoint.
because it's one thing to be, I mean, it's not like a DUI or, you know, a gun not being registered properly. This is like something really horrible and heinous.
Well,
Listen.
I'm not going there because, as I say, it involves minor and not only that family member that I care deeply about. That's my daughter. You know? So at the end of the day, you know, something was said, and I guess investigation was done, and after the investigation, they realized that, you know, this man is an innocent, good little father, man, with an abiding citizen. You know, because at the end of the day, I would look at it and I was like,
listen to where CMR Carter said. Something was said. And they said, okay, he's a good man, he's a law-abiding citizen. So again, Carter give away himself. He says something was said. CMR Carter again give away himself. He said something was said, and they said he is a law-abiding citizen. Something was said. What was said? By whom it was said? My viewers and subscriber, you want to know. Go on over the fix. Yeah, man, go on over the fix. Go listen to where the fix officer, because me can't give you no all of it, because you don't know copyright thing, so me only can give you no small piece of it. But remember, CMR just said something was said, and they said that is a law-abiding citizen. Something was said. What was said? What and who said it? Me tell you, say somebody get to that little girl and put it good, because that's the only way that case would drop. Remember me tell her that, and remember say somebody said today, I wonder if there's a deal between CMR and Chrissy that him cannot come back to the house and him can get the case drop. But also, you know, there is a big saying, you know, say as long as you have songs, people see you as, oh no, you never do it. And you know, I think I need to I need to turn an artist. I think I go turn an artist, because if you have songs, you is more not guilty than guilty. What are we living at? My viewers and subscriber, I want you to listen this little part where CMR have to say. Please listen, because this guy
and balance. It's more so.
Listen.
Me never want this to happen. This me want. And me I judge and me I lie and me I jury. So for me, if me answer that naturally now, the man, you know. But after here me can tell you, you know what I mean. But what me can say on here though is this: I'm a great father, and I will never abandon none of my youth them. All of them. You notice how I take phone and know say it's a stepchild. I will, because at the end of the day, I'm my youth that.
And funny, and he's still up to, in this interview, you're claiming her as your actual, it seemed like biological daughter, don't
I'm gonna tell you so, you see that little girl there? Me not feel talk much, but I'm say it on it. You see that little girl here is one of the best child I can ask. I raise her my voice, she know. You know? She know, like, that, kids love take her time.
Yeah.
No, man, she not dependent. She listen, she obedient, So, yeah, man, one of the best daughters you can ask her, It's just that, as me tell her, say, as your parent, when you become one, you feel
So, some viewers and subscribers, me lost. Me lost. Me lost. Me don't know which part me there. So tell me something. Can a kid be that perfect, be that quiet, be that decent, be that respectful, but that same kid go to the school and tell the school that you trouble to her 3 times? Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. Comment. This person said, the person who need to come forward and speak of the allegation is the stepdaughter. I don't believe anything CMR said out of his mouth. This person says, Yoli says, giving this man a platform after what he been accused of is crazy. It's important to note that CMR was not declared not guilty. It never said him not guilty. Remember that. It never said CMR not guilty. It just dropped. The case just dropped. So it didn't say not guilty. Remember that. He got off on technicality because there was not enough evidence to the prosecution. You see what me I say? Me been a say all them things. All them things. And then CMR also said somebody said. See what me I say? That is what me I say. But the thing is, make you go and listen. Where is the father? I think the father drop out. The relationship with him and his daughter will never be the same again. I don't care what nobody said. Reality talk. But this man just talk about how good the girl is, how nice the girl is. But why did the girl go and said to the school that you interfere with her and you depend national TV? I said the girl a liar. Because you wasn't guilty, cause not like that not happen. And my question is to the fix. Look at that. Hey. Let me say this. Look at that. See, all of them are laugh and have a jolly time. All of them are laugh and have a jolly time with the child guy. The guy who the charges just dropped for looting and doing all kind of things. See them? Them having a happy jolly time with him. What happened to the little girl? Where is the little girl? Where is Jay? Where is Jay? Jay is nowhere to be found. Everybody is all about the entertainer. Yes, man. Everybody is about the entertainer. They have a wonderful time, no? Let me see if we can read the next. Somebody said, I have had enough of listening to his lies Because if you listen to him, a bill him a tell. Let me tell you something. I believe that the agreement is for him not to be back in that house. Ah, boy. One day, that child will grow up. She'll speak. Yeah, man, she gonna speak it too. Yeah, man. Somebody said, this man is adding insult to injury with this interview. He said a lot of nothing and used God to refuse this man. Hey, remember me tell you, everything is all about the man does use God's name. So, my viewers and subscriber, me cannot play this video. If you don't want, you can go over the fix. Listen to this interview with this liar do. But remember, the same God when I talk about, him nah sleep. Yeah, man, the same God when I talk about, nah sleep. So to all of my viewers and my subscribers, remember, a peace and love, you know. A peace and love. But remember, a purple heart for J. Yeah, man, put something down below. Purple heart for J. And the behalf of Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Peace and love. Me just can't understand it. I'm out. Let's say another word. Peace.